People ask me, what do you talk about with your Huskies during long walks? The truth is, we don't talk. There are no words, no sentences, no replies. Just the sound of paws on the ground, the swish of tails, and eyes that speak louder than any language. When my Husky looks up at me, I understand without a single word. I'm happy. I feel safe. I trust you. And when I smile back, they know my answer too. I love you. I'm here with you. Always. These are our silent conversations. No words needed. Just steps, heartbeats, and trust.